In this video, I will show you how to find Outlook sign-in QR code, or how to use a QR code to sign into the Outlook mobile apps. Let's get started. Launch the Outlook application on your computer. Go to the top menu and click on Help. Click on Outlook Mobile. This will open the QR code window. All you need to do is scan this QR code and you can start using the Outlook mobile app immediately. Alternatively, go to the gear icon located on the left and click on Settings. Make sure you are on the Account tab in the left panel. Click on Mobile Devices. You should see an option labeled something like Sign in faster to Outlook on your phone. Click on it. It will open a new window with the QR code. If you are using the Outlook web version, follow these steps. Go to the gear icon located on the left and click on Settings. Go to the Account tab. Select Mobile Devices. Now click on this option. A QR code will be generated. By following these steps, you can successfully find and use the Outlook sign-in QR code.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.